So here you write all the major things which we have to discuss. Okay, then we will discuss it one by one. E-commerce business model. Firstly, define as we have to just study this. What is the actual e-commerce business model? Then we have to just proceed one e-commerce definition. E-commerce definition says कि buying or selling any product electronically, using electronically medium via mobile phone, computer, laptop, buying or selling any products through electronic medium is referred as the e-commerce. In the current scenario all over the global world, we can say that every second shopping list is in e-commerce. Every second shopping purchasing list is become as a e-commerce. So e-commerce is the backbone of a current business in Indian as well as the international scenario. Every organization wants from local to global in any circumstances. So this is the advantages of the e-commerce. Every second organization is an e-commerce product. The fastest scenario of the particular e-commerce is India. In India, every person has a mobile phone, every person has an internet. Then we have simply said that then out of 10 application, out of the 10 mobile application, there is a 4 to 5 e-commerce application which we will discuss. ठीक है ना? So this is the importance of e-commerce portal. Now we will just talk about the different types of e-commerce business model. In the different type of e-commerce business model, we can say that according to the need and necessity of the e-commerce shopping portal, we can just divide the e-commerce into the particular blocks. This is a B2B, number 1, B2B, number 2 B2C, number 3 C2C, number 4 B2G, number 5 MCOM, and lot of the different, but major area cover this. ठीक है ना? तो B2B stands for business to business. तो business to in B2B e-commerce business model, we can say that most revenue taking application is a B2B model. In B2B model, सबसे ज़्यादा most revenue comes from user to e-commerce shopping portal is a B2B. In this B2B, we can purchase the bulk product out of the 10 year, 20 year, 30 year. जैसे suppose that we have to just Delhi Metro Railway Corporation या any organization want to become a good business from the organization. Just like I said, कि two-wheeler company, the tire has been manufactured from the MRF. So MRF organization has a contractual sign to the particular motorbike like the Honda, Hero Honda, TVS. कि for 5 years, 6 years, we can just bond a communication. We have to produce, giving all types of tires in a two-wheeler segment as well as a four-wheeler segment. So this is the bulk with a long time. We can say that this is the commerce of the B2B business to business e-commerce. ठीक है ना? तो B2B में in the long term most revenue generation system B2B. Another one is our B2C. In B2C e-commerce, business to consumer is one of the popular e-commerce model is a B2C. In B2C, simply we can say that out of the normal consumer, most of those users who just have a smartphone and purchasing a online shopping, this is they perform the B2C model. They perform the business to consumer model. All famous like Myntra, Meesho, Flipkart, Amazon, Shopclubs, Snapdeal, and lot of the more organization as using the business of a B2C model. B2C model, Flipkart, Myntra, Amazon, it is just pursuing the total of B2C model. Another one is our C2C model. C2C model simply says that we have to just perform the all transaction like consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer says what? Just like as a Ola, just like as a OLX, just like as a Amway and many more organization model. Here there is no physical organization structure. Only a customer may be our seller as well as a customer may be our purchaser. There is no need of the backbone of the particular inquiry sheet. This is a good example of e-commerce C2C. Here no organization people are involved in this kind of an application. So C2C is the one of the OLX, Amway, and all of this one. यहाँ पर perform this the application of this one. Another business to government. Now government is also in performing e-commerce with the help of e-commerce. We can just touch all of the community people, just like as a filling an online recruitment form. Just giving the whole charge to a particular agency. He just to perform the he is just taking the charge of online government form application, recruitment filling, Aadhaar card, Jan Seva, passport, income tax, caste certificate, and lot of the different all things which we have just to physically touch. We can say that all are on the computer platform with the help of e-commerce. So then we have to just using the business to government B2C. B2G हो गया, जन सेवा केंद्र होगी, all of the they doing their duties with the help of this kind of application. And the last one is our mobile commerce, including all this like B2B, B2C, B2C, B2B, B2C, C2C, B2G. They are just doing the whole task is going on the laptop, computers, as well as we can just do lot of the tasks. Nowadays we have to just doing all the kind of an application using help of the mobile phone. This is an example of all mobile commerce. In mobile commerce, all these activity done with the help of a mobile phone. Just like wholesale का हो गया, Flipkart हो गया, OLX हो गया, government recruitment form, we can perform income tax return हो गया. We can doing all of these kind of an application with the help of a mobile phone. So this concept of the category of mobile commerce. The popular applications of a mobile commerce is the mobile banking. 24/7 UPI हो गया, Google Pay हो गया, wallet हो गया. This is an example of your mobile banking. This is a mobile shops हो गया, gaming हो गया, education. We can just perform all this kind of an application with the help of mobile phone. So this is all of the popular model of a business model of a e-commerce. Hope you understand. Thank you very much for this attention. Okay, thank you class. Thank you very much.